Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to show you guys how I achieved this simple crochet faux lock style. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I did this. Keep watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to show you guys how I did the actual crocheting. What I'm doing now is just taking that strand of hair and putting my crochet needle at the base of my twists and just pulling the hair through like so, and just putting just creating a knot at the bottom like that. So what I did was twist my hair strands in such a way that they're not too bulky or too small. I didn't want it too heavy. I didn't want a lot of hair basically. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and put my crochet needle through that full lock strand like that. And when I get to the end of it, I'm just going to pull my hair through. So this hair is not like a cylindrical strand that is easy to just pull your hair through. It's more of winding the hair in one direction. So it's a bit hard, but it can be done. You just have to be patient with, the style you're trying to achieve. So now I'm just going to put my hair at the bottom of that crochet needle and just close the latch hook and then pull it through the full lock strand. So yeah, that's basically it, and that's what I did all around my head. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this 2 more times so you guys can see how I did it in more detail. Hello guys, so this is the hair and I do hope you all enjoyed the video. So this hair that I used, I was a bit skeptical because I've never used it before, but this is where you should underestimate underestimate beauty supply store hair, especially when it's affordable and it looks like it could be good. You give it a chance. It's not good, I'll give an honest review of it. So when I started using this particular hair, when I started from the bag, I was like, what am I doing? But when I finished, I was so in love with it because it saved me a lot of time from having to wrap my locks myself, which is usually what I do. I mean, and that's a process. But this hair I'm talking about is the Freetress Braid Cuban Gorgeous Loc hair in 12 inches. And I got it in the color 1B. So this hair is absolutely gorgeous, and I'll put all the details of this product down below for y'all to see, and I'll also give you details about the price and where you can find it online as well. But if you have a local beauty supply store, I'd say check there first if you need it urgently. So a lot of people are trying to do faux locks nowadays, and while wrapping from scratch is absolutely great, I'm trying to save time right now because I'm always up and about. So about this hair, it does just a couple of things about this hair. Pros, it's very lightweight, and it's not like, it's very light. When I say lightweight, like you can put a lot more than this, and I doubt if this hair will be heavy at all. It is easy to work with, sort of. And then a couple of cons. This hair with single crochet braid, so it does come in a look like that. However, when you come down here, it's not a like a cylindrical piece that you can just pull your hair through. It's more of like they just wound the hair like this. So if you do this, it's just like turned around, if that makes sense. So that did not help quite a lot, but like I said, walked around it and it looks absolutely stunning, if you would agree. So yeah, that's just a couple of things. And then if you look closely, hopefully nobody will come look at my hair this close. That would be weird. But right here, my hair is showing a little bit, and what I do is just push that in to the hair. It's something you can always just move around whenever it does that, and it does swell a little bit as well, excuse me. So it does like start to swell like a bit bigger, and then it sort of snaps back. I don't know, but right now this is what it looks like. It's giveaway time. Probably doesn't go with the song I put on this video, but who cares? Okay guys, so giveaway time, my very first actually. So if you want 2 packs of this hair, I use 2 packs for this style. If you want 2 packs of this hair, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Instagram handle is _simplyogo, and on YouTube it's simplyogo as well. So follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and you will win 2 packs of this gorgeous hair. So I hope a lot of y'all participate. I know it's just one winner, I'm sorry, but participate. Look for details about the giveaway on the post attached to the video, and details will be on there, and I will announce the winner in a couple of days. And I hope you all participate. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section as well, and I'll see you all in my next video.